first of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So this video is completely for the students those are preparing for SBI CLERK prelims exam. So here we have added 40 homework tests into your test package today. So just look into your test package, students those who already bought any one of these. Either it can be aptitude and reasoning, or else if you bought the test package 2023, or you bought SBI CLERK prelims, or you bought that all-in-one test package, right? Most of the students bought that. So any one of this package, if you bought it, so just go into a dashboard and check there. You can able to see a new tab called homework. So inside that homework, you can able to see 40 tests with a different pattern, right? So 10 minutes test will be there, 15 minutes test, 20 minutes test will be there. This is mainly that we prepared only for SBI CLERK prelims exam. So practice, I think we have 1 month of time for SBI CLERK. So 40 tests daily, write one test, and this test you can able to attempt again and again. Multiple attempts is also given on this test. So do not forget to take the test on the platform, and this is mainly prepared for the prelims exam, right? So don't be overconfident. I have seen many students who will be overconfident that I can able to clear the prelims exam, I just only getting failed in the mains. Kindly don't be overconfident for SBI CLERK prelims alone. Why? Because SBI CLERK sometimes it may be easy, sometimes it may be medium level. You have to choose the right choice of question to attend in the prelims exam. So only then you can able to clear it. So don't be overconfident. Practice is more and more important for SBI CLERK prelims. I didn't say this word for IBBS CLERK, or I didn't say this for IBBS PO prelims, but every time if you watch my older videos, I will say if you are preparing for SBI CLERK alone, you have to be little bit practice. You should give more importance to practice. So that's the reason I am saying it. So practice daily, right? Daily one test till that exam, prelims exam on I think Jan 7 or something. So till that date, so start practicing today. So definitely you can able to clear the prelims exam. For the mains, I'm already posted some data interpretation special DI there. So I will be continuing that from next week, right? So thank you so much. And now my website, we have changed the video contents on my website. Just visit my website feelfreetolearn.com. So many students have told that the website is not updated, the videos are not updated on the website. So now visit my website feelfreetolearn.com. So there inside quantitative aptitude, you can able to see all the list of topics what I posted on my YouTube channel, and each list of you can able to see the data interpretation separately, aptitude topics separately, reasoning topics separately. So you can able to see list of all the topics, and each lessons I have posted in a proper way. So you can just like that go to my website and you can watch all my videos, right? So and then don't forget to purchase the test. If you already purchased any one of the test, now you can able to see the 40 test inside your package, test package. So thank you so much. And don't, if you are preparing for SBI CLERK alone, I've posted already 4 videos specially for it. So I will be keeping on posting. Next week I will be posting 5, 6, 7, etc. So don't forget to watch all my videos. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.